Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Daza and this is a record for the course English 3. It is a record for the guide task 6, Project Yourself. In this task, I did an essay of 300 words defining what is the ideal teacher for me, for my point of view. The title of this essay is A Great Teacher. The ideal teacher should have different characteristics. In this case, I choose four characteristics. Those are ethics, commitment, respect, knowledge of his area. Talking about ethics is when we talk about different principles that are important when we are working as a teacher. In this case, we need to know how to respect the differences, how to acting when we are teachers, always in the best interest for the students, for the future of the students, checking some things like the curriculum, the institution, the student, the community, and family in general. To know what is best for the students because not in all places we explain it the same way. Depends on the context and what is the needs of the community, depending on the space where they are. Some principles too is managing the differences and trying to teach from different perspectives, well organized, and understanding the difficulties and needs of the students. Respect, always we need to know how to manage the respect in all the places when we are working or living. It doesn't matter where we are. It's mandatory to manage the respect for all the community. And then I think respect is important. Theory, knowledge of commitment is another important part because that link with ethics is necessary because if you don't have commitment, then you are not going to do your job in the best way. Then it creates a problem because it's not linked in a good way with ethics. Commitment is a complement part of ethics. Um, the knowledge of the area is important. For example, am studying a BA in foreign languages with emphasis in English, and we need to manage the curriculum of the institution, understanding what are the needs of the students, and make decisions in relation with this. Just thinking about what is the best for the students, always. There are a lot of methodologies that we need to understand to change depending of the space, of the characteristics of the space, the people, the students, how to improve the learning process, thinking different in different spaces because it's not the same learning in some contexts and in others. We needed to be aware what are the difference between some place to other to make decisions and do the best for the students. I think maybe there are some other characteristics for a good teacher, but I think those four are the most important for me. Thank you for for check this video and bye bye. Thanks for all.